All right. Today we're going to be looking at how to write a code for the following prompt. It says write a program that takes a user input for the side length of a square, then draws a filled square of the size requested, centered perfectly in the graphics screen. Now, on here, I have a picture of a square with a whole bunch of drawings because I have actually done this too many times. I'm just going to take that onto a new board. There we go. All right, we have a square, and our turtle will always start at the center facing east. So I can put a dot. That's not going to be exactly the center, but it's close. And it's always going to be facing east. All right, that's just the default direction that it starts in. So we want our turtle to go from here to here and start drawing. Now, of course, some people are going to be like, oh, you can take it to the top or you can take it to any side. Yes, that's true. But since our turtle's already facing east, why don't we just take it to the closest side? We want our turtle to go from here to here. And we need to know how much that is. And that's just simple math because we know that this is a square. This is x, for example, and this is x. These are the same measurements. So this right here, this distance from the center to the side should be x divided by 2, which we can easily do. Right, my writing is terrible. You guys are going to have to forgive me. I'm using a mouse pad. Regardless, though, it's x divided by 2. And that's going to be this distance right here is x divided by 2. So when I go to write this code, first things first, you want to add your name to the top, plus the date. And then we're going to start by asking for an input, which I will call side. Side is equal to integer input because it is going to be a number and we're going to need to do some calculations. And then how long are the sides of your square? Okay? Now we'll ask for an input from the user and then they can input whatever number they want. Now we need this measurement that it's going to be half of side. Okay, half of this x measurement. So we can call that half side. And that will equal to side divided by 2. Now, this is the step where we can go ahead and import turtle. And then we can name our turtle. And since Alex is a very, very common turtle name, I'm just going to go with Alex. So Alex is equal to turtle, lowercase t, dot, uppercase T, turtle, open and close bracket. And there we go. Now, the first thing that we're going to have Alex do is we're going to actually have him stop drawing. We want him to move without him drawing. And we do that by saying alex.pinup, open and close bracket. And this means that now Alex will move wherever we want without leaving a trail. Now we can tell Alex to move from the center point to the side, and we can do that by telling alex.forward, and then we can input a value, which in this case would be half underscore side. And this takes Alex from right here, and now he is here. Okay, I'm going to erase the original one so that we can keep track of things. Oop, 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 oop. I'm terrible at erasing. Okay, I think that's good enough, okay? Alex is here, and he is still facing this direction. Now you need him to turn. So this would be his left, and this would be his right. My R looks terrible. So we want him to go 90 degrees left, right? We can say Alex dot left, and then we can put in 90 degrees. Now after Alex does that, we want him, he's now facing this direction. We want him to continue forward for half the side length, which we can do again. Alex dot forward, half underscore side. Perfect. Now we are going to make Alex turn left, and then he will continue straight for a side length, and then he's going to turn left again. Then he's going to continue straight for a side length, and then he's going to turn left again, and then he's going to continue straight for a side length. Oh, we just did the exact same thing 3 times. Why don't we put in a loop? So for T in range 3, Don't forget your colon, guys. Otherwise, it won't work. See, there's an indentation. If I remove my colon, no. Oh, it auto-inputted it for me. Don't do that, please. If I remove my colon, yeah, I don't know why it's automatically putting it in, guys. Pretend like there was a colon, there wouldn't be an indent. So for t in range 3, you want this to go 3 times. We want Alex dot left 90. And then we want to go Alex dot forward side, right? Now let me show you what that will do. Oops. What that will do is that now if Alex is all the way up here, I'm going to use the color green because too much. Okay, Alex is all the way up here. Why is that coming up like that? Okay, thank you. All right. Alex is now up here. He turns left. He goes straight for side length, and he does that 3 times, and he ends up all the way down here in the bottom right corner. Okay? And now he has to make the distance between this bottom right corner to this half position. Now, of course, you can tell the turtle to draw the sides 4 times, and of course the turtle can overlap. It can go over itself and overlap. Yes, that's fine. Or we could just say Alex dot left 90 degrees and then Alex dot forward side. Oop, nope, we want actually half side. And now if we run it, let us run. All right, how long do you want the sides of the square? I'm just gonna go with 100, why not? All right, oh, for some reason it doesn't automatically pop up. Come on, open. That's our turtle right there, but it's not working. It's not responding. It just needs a second. I'm actually gonna kill the code and try it again. Yep. Okay, let's run. How long do I want the square? I want it to be 100. And this is obviously in pixels. Oh, and look, it didn't draw anything. And that is because I forgot to do something. I forgot to put this back down. We need Alex.pen down, and that should fix it. Let us run that. How long are the sides of your square? They are 100. Oh, and we can open up the turtle right here. Come on, turtle. And the turtle has drawn it. Okay, I can redo that just so we can watch it. For some reason, the turtle console doesn't pop up right away. You have to click on it. Run. Let's go. We want 100. Let's press on this. There we go. We got a glimpse of it. Yay. And that is how the turtle works. And that's how we draw a square.